Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Gluten-free, delightfully chewy. Italian almond cookies with a bright citrus flavor from the lemon. So unbelievably simple to make, great with tea or coffee, and perfect for gifting. Let's grab a medium-sized lemon. Use a microplane grater for the zest. Only grate the color parts from the lemon. The pith can be quite bitter. Lemon zest contains essential oils, which gives us that intense citrus flavor. We also need a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I've got here the real large eggs, but we only need the egg whites. Keep the yolk for another recipe or freeze them for later. Whisk in 3/4 cup of caster sugar or regular white sugar. Don't be tempted to reduce the sugar here, as this may change the texture of the cookies. They may be less chewy and even crumble. Add the lemon juice. Whisk in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness. Mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk for approximately 60 seconds. Here, I have 2½ cups of almond meal, also known as almond flour. We're going to combine the almond meal with the egg white mixture, along with the lemon zest. Fold the ingredients together gently. Once combined, you'll have a very sticky dough. For color, I added 2 drops of yellow food coloring. This is optional. Press the plastic wrap onto the dough, then place in fridge for at least 1 hour. Let's dust the cookies before baking them. We need 3/4 cup of icing or powdered sugar. If you would like beautiful, even-sized cookies, weigh the dough. I made 26 cookies, roughly 20 grams of dough for each cookie. Roll each dough into balls. Then place them into the icing sugar. Dust the cookie balls with a generous amount of icing sugar. Line cookie trays with non-stick baking paper. These cookies don't spread much, so we can place them closer to each other. Bake for 16 to 18 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, that's 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It should come out looking like this. Slightly cracked. I can smell the lemon goodness. Look how tempting they look. We simply can't resist them. And I'm sure you're going to love them also. Find a written guide for this recipe at 3catsfoodie.com. You will also find hundreds of other recipes there, all approved and loved by my family and friends. I would love your ongoing support. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.